Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Cherokee windshield wipers. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the ignition. Wear gloves to protect your hands and keep a towel handy to prevent glass scratches. Inspect the wiper arm and note the pivot and clip locations so you can reassemble correctly. Have replacement blades and any small tools ready to save time and avoid. Gently lower the wiper arm while keeping it supported and press the blade release tab as you slide the old blade toward the arm tip. If the clip is stiff, use a flat tool to ease it but avoid prying the metal. Remove the blade assembly fully and set it aside. Check the arm condition and clean any rubber debris or grit from the windshield before fitting a new blade to ensure smooth operation. Align the replacement blade with the arm connector and slide it into place until you hear or feel a solid click confirming the lock. Avoid touching the rubber edge to keep it clean and check that the blade sits evenly across the windshield. Carefully lower the arm to prevent sudden contact with the glass. Finally, turn on the wipers and run them through a cycle to confirm smooth, streak-free operation and proper attachment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.